The West Philippine Sea. The year 2024 again saw rising tensions in the disputed area. As early as March, China unleashed its water cannon attacks on two resupply boats, injuring 4 sailors. In the following month, the year's most violent confrontation happened in Rore Mission. CCG personnel forced their way into boarding the Philippine Navy's boats, puncturing the vessels, destroying engines and communications equipment. One Naval Special Operations Group soldier lost his thumb during the confrontation. That was followed by more incidents of water cannon attacks and deliberate ramming of our ships.
Hey, hey, give out! Give out! Give out! Tawag ka kay Bugs! Well, this, alam mo, yung issue sa West Philippines is very important for everyone and also sa ating freedom in fighting for our sovereign rights, di ba, our territorial rights. Pero this is an ongoing saga kasi that's even prior to this year, last year, di ba, we had issues already sa West Philippines. So I would have put this a little lower. Kasi ang pinag-uusapan sa countdown, yung nagka-captivate sa audience. This one is ongoing pa rin eh. Hindi nawawala and then...
Tsaka talagang hindi naman nag-highlight, pero talagang yung
continued to eh. This is continued
yung merong mga nagalit na rin talaga lahat ng mga kababayan natin. Yung merong naputol na daliri na soldier natin.
Pero we expected this to escalate. We've been talking about this issue even last year, and sabi pa nga natin, we're not surprised if the years and the months to come may panibagong style of harassment ang ginawa sa atin ng mga Chinese neighbors natin, the Chinese Coast Guard, di ba? May nawala ng thumb, na-puncture yung boat, ginamitan tayo ng laser pointer, water cannon.
Simple Rory mission, like bibigyan lang ng pagkain yung mga mangingisda o yung mga tao natin sa BRP Sierra Madre hindi makalusot, di ba?
Pati yung ginawa sana natin, yung Navy Air Force, di ba? Yung binitawan, they threw flares at us, di ba? Inano tayo ng flares.
So, this year, PBBM's administration has filed 60 diplomatic protests and 193 for the whole administration of PBBM. Yung mga diplomatic protests.
Well, sabi ng ibang kababayan, ano ngayon kung may protest, ano magagawa? Well, at least it's on the record.
Yeah, Yun lagi natin tinatanong dito, di ba, kila Attorney J. Batumbakal and other
on the record.
Experts here, political analysts.
Pero,
maganda daw meron tayong mga pinapasa, mga political, diplomatic protests para nakarecord yan ng whatever na ginawa nila during that time ay pinoprotesta natin.
Well, moving forward, mahaba pa tong issue, but we hope na, of course, this will be resolved very soon. And
in a peaceful manner.
Inaabangan ng public ano ang magiging next step ng hopefully mga new senators and congressmen next year.
Yes.